It's 1:47 a.m. and I'm lying in bed staring at my phone. Not scrolling, not watching anything, just staring at my bank account like it's going to change if I look at it long enough. $1,842. That's it. That's everything. That's the whole safety net. I got paid 4 days ago. I close the app, open it again. Still $1,842. Like maybe I missed something. Like maybe there's a comma hiding somewhere. There isn't. My rent is $1,400. That hits in 11 days. So really, I have $442. That's the real number. Car insurance, $187. Now I'm at $255. Phone bill, $74. $181. Subscriptions, $57. Gym I don't use. Now I'm at $124. 11 days, $124. Nothing looks big, but everything is taking something from me. I put my phone down, stare at the ceiling, that clicking sound from the fan again. I've been ignoring it for 2 months. Then it hits me. What if something real breaks? Like my car. That sound, the one that drops your stomach before you're even awake. I checked once. Average repair, $500, $600. I don't have $600. I have $124. So I already know what I'd do. Put it on the credit card. The same card sitting at $3,200. The one I keep saying I'll handle later. Later never comes. It just gets more expensive. And then I think, what if it's not the car? What if it's me? Doctor visit, tests, something serious. My deductible is $3,000. I don't have $3,000. I have $124. I sit up, dark room, silent. And that's when it hits me. My life works, but only under one condition. Nothing goes wrong. No breakdowns, no emergencies, no bad months, nothing. And that's not stability, that's luck. From the outside, it looks fine. Apartment, car, job, normal life. But I'm one flat tire away from stress. One bill away from panic. One bad week away from falling behind. That's the part nobody says out loud. You can look completely fine and still be one emergency away from collapse. I do the math again, but this time it feels different. It's not the numbers, it's what they mean. Everything I've built only works if life stays perfect. And life is never perfect. That's when it finally clicks. I don't have a money problem. I have a buffer problem. Because right now, I'm not safe. I'm just untested. And the moment something happens, this whole thing falls apart. I look at the number one last time. $124. That's not a safety net. That's time. Time before something breaks. Time before I panic. Time before reality catches up. I turn off the screen. Room goes dark. Tomorrow, I can't ignore this anymore.